Can you give Mr. Leopard a bite? What does Mr. Leopard say? Give him a kiss. Where are his eyes? Where are his whiskers? Where's his nose? Where are his ears? You can give him a bite of your snack? Give him a kiss. Can he have another kiss? Can you say yes?
Yes.
Please?
Please?
Wow.
Oh.
Cat?
Cat.
Kitty?
Kitty.
Can you say dog?
Fish.
Dog.
Ooh. What are they?
Uh-oh, you're going to have to eat that carefully. Can you say I love you?
Mary.
I love you.
Mary.
Say daddy.
Daddy.
Say mommy.
Mama. Mommy.
Can you say Mary?
Me.
Can you say Jesus?
Gigi.
Can you pray?
Gigi.
Is that the angel? Yeah. Did you go to church this morning? Yes?
Were you a good girl at church this morning?
Kind of.
No.
Don't listen to him.
And Daddy were rustling in the pew.
Is that true?
It's true.
Is that true?
I had to hog tie her in the last 15 minutes of Mass.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Yes. Blow a kiss.